Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch a demonstration of CAD-IT's XR Player. Before we start, I'd like to take a moment to mention that any of the content created as far as animation, documentation, and images in the demonstration were created using Rapid Manual. From there, they were published into HTML format. The HTML files were then loaded into XR Fabricator, which processed them and published them to a location for the XR Player to access them. On the left-hand side, we could see a list of files that I'm able to access that were created through the XR Fabricator. If there is a down arrow to the right of it, it means that the file still needs to be downloaded to the device. I'm going to select Industrial Machine Did a Demo. And the right-hand side of the screen, we can see a blue arrow pointing to the right. I'm going to select that. It's going to load our content. Right now, we could see the area in front of me. I'm going to select the blue dot in the upper right, and then touch the screen with the floor in front of me. What this does is it scans the area in front of me to create a surface for it to place the item that is in the content. I'm going to touch the floor again on the screen, and it's going to place the content. If for some reason I don't like where it has placed it, I'm able to touch the blue dots again and move it. If it's facing the wrong way, I could use two fingers and pivot on the screen. Once it's placed, I am able to walk up to it, move around it, and see it from various views and angles. Once I'm ready to continue with the procedure, I'm going to select on the right-hand side. And you can see that step 1 has started. We have step 1 with our text that is required for the step. And if we scroll up, there is an image included. If I select the image, it'll make it larger for the end user to be able to view, and then we can close it. And once I'm ready, I could press the white arrow on the right, and we can go step by step. And if I need to see it a little closer, again, I could walk up and get closer to what I'm trying to view. And again, we have an image, we can open it, and then close it. If I missed an animation and I want to watch it again, I can go back a step and then go forward, and it'll play the animation again. We can scroll through, watching it continue with the steps, images, and animations following the process that was created in Rapid Manual. If for some reason I want to switch over to VR mode, I'm able to choose the button in the upper right-hand corner. If it's not in place where I need it, I can then reposition it. And play the animations. And again, while I'm watching, I'm able to move it around and be able to view it the way that I need to. Once I'm finished, I'm able to press the home screen in the upper left-hand corner. That'll bring me back to the screen with a list of available work instructions. Thank you for taking the time to watch our demonstration on CAD-IT's XR Player.